Have you ever felt like your dreams are just out of reach? A distant fantasy floating in the ether? What if I told you that you hold the power to bring them into reality within a single day? Yes, you heard that right. It's time to unlock the secrets of manifestation and witness the magic unfold in just 24 hours. Manifesting is the art of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires to create the life you've always dreamed of. It's about becoming a co-creator with the universe and harnessing your innate power to shape your reality. And while it may sound too good to be true, this isn't just wishful thinking or positive vibes. It's a proven technique based on the teachings of the renowned author and spiritual teacher, Dr. Joseph Murphy. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. 24 hours? Is that even possible? Or this sounds like another one of those gimmicks. Trust me, I understand your skepticism, but let me assure you, this isn't some new age trend or unproven theory. Dr. Murphy dedicated his life to studying the power of the subconscious mind and developed a simple yet powerful method for manifesting your desires quickly and effectively. So, if you're ready to take control of your life, manifest your dreams, and experience the joy of seeing your desires become a reality, then keep watching. I'm about to reveal a step-by-step technique that will change the way you view manifestation forever. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, unlock your hidden potential, and manifest your dreams in just 24 hours. The first step on this exciting journey is preparation. This isn't just about setting the stage, it's about priming your mind and heart for what's to come. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. This could be a cozy corner of your bedroom, a meditation room, or even a peaceful spot in nature. The key is to create an environment that feels sacred and allows you to focus inward. Before we dive deeper, take a moment to settle in. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any tension or doubt. Allow your mind to become still and receptive. Now let's explore the depths of your heart and uncover your true desires. What is it that you truly want in life? Is it a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, vibrant health, or personal growth? Be specific. Don't just say, I want to be successful. Define what success means to you. Is it starting your own business, getting a promotion, or achieving a certain income level? The more specific you are, the clearer your vision will become. Also, consider the timeline for your manifestations. Are you looking for quick wins or long-term goals? Are you manifesting a new car for next week or a dream home in 5 years? Understanding your timeline helps you align your expectations and actions. Let's now understand a bit of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that activates the law of attraction and draws your desires closer to you. It's about creating a mental picture of your desired reality as if it's already happening. Close your eyes again and imagine yourself living the life you desire. See yourself thriving in your career, surrounded by loving relationships, enjoying vibrant health, and experiencing continuous personal growth. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? But visualization isn't just about seeing pictures in your mind. It's about feeling the emotions associated with achieving your desires. Feel the joy, excitement, gratitude, and fulfillment as if you've already reached your goal. Let those emotions wash over you and fill your entire being. Now that you have a clear picture of your desires and the emotions they evoke, it's time to solidify them by writing them down. Grab a pen and paper or open a new document on your computer. Write down your desires clearly and specifically, just as you identified them during the exploration phase. Use the present tense, as if you're already living them. For example, instead of writing, I want to start my own business. Write, I am a successful entrepreneur running a thriving business. This act of writing is not just putting words on paper, it's a declaration to the universe. It's a way to clarify your intentions, affirm your commitment, and set the wheels of manifestation in motion. As you write, feel the power of your words and the energy they carry. Now that you've prepared your mind and heart, it's time to take action. This is where the magic of manifestation truly begins. The steps we'll take now are designed to harness the power of your subconscious mind while you sleep, allowing the universe to work its wonders overnight. Creating a peaceful bedtime routine is essential for setting the stage for successful manifestation. As you prepare for sleep, it's crucial to wind down and create a tranquil environment. Begin by dimming the lights in your room, signaling to your body that it's time to rest. Put away electronic devices like phones and laptops, as their blue light can interfere with sleep and disrupt your natural rhythm. Engage in calming activities that soothe your mind and body. This could involve reading a book, taking a warm bath infused with relaxing essential oils like lavender or chamomile, or listening to calming music. If meditation is part of your routine, this is a perfect time to incorporate it. As you lie down in bed, close your eyes and take a few deep, cleansing breaths. Inhale tranquility and exhale any lingering stress or worries from the day. Let go of any thoughts that may clutter your mind and focus on the present moment. Feel the softness of your bed, the warmth of the blankets, and the peace settling over you. Now, let's introduce the core manifestation phrase that will serve as your anchor throughout this process. I am ready to receive. This simple yet powerful affirmation is a declaration of openness and receptivity to the abundance the universe has in store for you. As you lie in bed with your eyes closed, repeat the affirmation I am ready to receive silently or aloud. Don't rush through the words, savor them. Feel their resonance within you. More than just reciting, allow yourself to truly embody the meaning behind the phrase. Imagine yourself as a vessel, open and ready to receive the gifts that are meant for you. Feel the anticipation, the excitement, and the unwavering belief that your desires are on their way. Repeat the affirmation several times, letting it permeate your consciousness and seep into your subconscious mind. To further enhance the power of your intention, let's combine visualization with the affirmation. As you repeat the phrase, I am ready to receive, visualize your desires coming to life in vivid detail. Imagine yourself living in your dream home, every room filled with warmth and light. Picture yourself surrounded by loved ones, their laughter echoing through the halls. See yourself basking in the sun on a pristine beach, the waves gently lapping at your feet. Envision the thrill of achieving your career goals, the recognition and satisfaction that come with success. Don't get caught up in the specifics of how your desires will manifest. Focus instead on the emotions they evoke. Feel the joy of abundance, the warmth of love, the exhilaration of accomplishment. Let those emotions wash over you, filling you with gratitude and anticipation. As you visualize, continue to repeat the affirmation, I am ready to receive, with each breath. Allow the visualization and the affirmation to intertwine, creating a symphony of intention and belief. Feel the energy building within you, a potent force that is ready to propel your dreams into reality. Remember, the key is to feel as if your desires are already yours. Embrace the emotions of gratitude, excitement, and joy as if you're already living your dream life. This is the essence of manifestation, and it's the catalyst that will transform your aspirations into tangible experiences. Now, take the piece of paper where you've written your desires and gently fold it. This paper holds the essence of your dreams, the tangible representation of what you're inviting into your life. Before you drift off to sleep, place this folded paper under your pillow. This act is more than just a physical gesture. It's a symbolic act of surrender. By placing the paper under your pillow, you're releasing your desires into the hands of the universe. You're letting go of the need to control the outcome and trusting that the universe has a plan for you. This is a profound act of faith. It's a recognition that you've done your part by setting clear intentions and visualizing your desires. Now, it's time to trust in the infinite wisdom and power of the universe to guide your manifestation. As you drift off to sleep, release any lingering doubts or worries. Trust that you've planted the seeds of your desires, and they will blossom in divine timing. Know that you are worthy of receiving all that you desire, and the universe is conspiring to bring it to you. Letting go of attachment to the outcome is crucial. Don't get caught up in how, when, or where your desires will manifest. Simply trust that the universe knows the best way to deliver them to you. Surrender to the flow of life and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold. Friends, you have done your part. You have set clear intentions, visualized your desires, and affirmed your readiness to receive. Now, it's time to rest, relax, and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Have faith that your dreams are already on their way to becoming your reality. As you wake up in the morning, take a moment to express gratitude for the manifestations that are already on their way. Trust that the universe has heard your call and is orchestrating the perfect circumstances for your desires to unfold. Remember, this 24-hour manifestation technique is not just a one-time practice. It's a powerful tool that you can use repeatedly to attract abundance, joy, and fulfillment into your life. The more you use it, the stronger your manifestation muscles will become. As you go about your day, stay open to receiving signs and synchronicities from the universe. These may come in the form of unexpected opportunities, chance encounters, or intuitive nudges. Be present and mindful and trust that the universe is guiding you every step of the way. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried manifesting your dreams? What techniques have worked for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration as we embark on this journey of manifestation together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from this powerful technique. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on manifesting your dreams and living a life of abundance. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Trust the process, embrace the journey, and watch as your desires transform into reality. Thank you for joining me on this transformative exploration, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming big, stay positive, and I am ready to receive.